Rebound Jewelry Welding Tweezers Curved Straight Soldering Tweezer Jewelry Mock. Rebound Jewelry Welding Tweezers are a must-have tool for any jewelry maker. They are made of high-quality stainless steel and feature a locking mechanism that keeps the tips in place while you work. The curved and straight tips are perfect for a variety of tasks, such as soldering, bending wire, and crimping beads. These tweezers are also very durable and will last for years to come. They are a great investment for any jewelry maker who wants to create high-quality pieces. Here are some of the benefits of using Rebound Jewelry Welding Tweezers. High-quality stainless steel construction. Locking mechanism keeps tips in place. Curved and straight tips for a variety of tasks. Durable and long-lasting. If you are looking for a high-quality pair of jewelry welding tweezers, then I highly recommend Rebound Jewelry Welding Tweezers. They are a great investment for any jewelry maker who wants to create high-quality pieces. Here are some additional details about Rebound Jewelry Welding Tweezers. The tweezers measure 5 inches long and have a 1-inch opening. They are available in a variety of colors, including black, blue, red, and green. The tweezers come with a protective case. Where to buy Rebound Jewelry Welding Tweezers? Rebound Jewelry Welding Tweezers are available for purchase on Amazon.com.